So do you ever get that feeling that you have the perfect piece of jewelry and yet for some reason it doesn't quite translate and you can't quite capture it in the photo? Like a diamond ring, and in your photo it looks like a dull rock. Well, there's a reason for that. And a lot of it comes down to making sure that you understand how to style that piece of jewelry in order to make sure that you shines. Jewelry for a photo shoot is an art form and it takes a little bit of practice. So why is it so frustrating? Well, first up, jewelry is small. Okay, yeah, really small, and therefore we have to get closer to it. Now the problem with getting closer to it is it has a habit of reflecting everything. And at the end of the day, nobody wants a piece of jewelry with your rather awkward face or the camera itself being reflected upon it. Not exactly glamorous, right? And then there's the background. If your piece of jewelry is blending into that chaotic kitchen counter, and it's going to look less like a timeless, elegant piece and more like Where's Waldo. So what's the secret to the perfect shot? First things first, lighting. Natural light will be your best friend, and one of your soft lights should be one of your go-tos. Avoid those harsh lights and bring out that sparkle. Making sure you have the right jewelry as well can also help.
What else have we done this year? Since Parrot Rescue?
This thing, we went from met. We went from met to mesmerizing in a couple of seconds. Jewelry loves a good prop, so whether you're thinking about a textured fabric or reflective surface, or something a little bit more expected, something more that helps bring the vibe along, so whether you're looking at a slice of marble or a pretty foliage, it really will help. Experiment with different backgrounds, adding a little contrast to make that gold and silver pop out like it never has before. Now here's the game changer you've been waiting for. Angles, baby. You need to angle that jewelry like it's a model on Vogue. Tilt that ring, angle that necklace to catch the light in the perfect right places. See the difference? So whether we're looking at soft lighting, contrasting but complementary backgrounds, or those golden angles, that is how you go from met to mesmerizing. It's your turn. Get going on a couple of these tries and let me know in the comments which one has helped you the most. Don't forget to like it, and while you're there, don't forget to subscribe for more jewelry photography tips and tricks, because jewelry deserves better than your meh photos. Until next time, keep clicking.